Want to lose weight? Here's 2 morning routines you got to do every single day. It's going to help you lose weight, right? So here's routine number one. You're going to interlock your hands, okay? So interlock your fingers like this, right? And you're going to rub them, right? So you're going to rub your palm and then interlocking, and then you're also rubbing your fingers in between, right? So you're going to rub this for 1 minute every morning. First thing you wake up, you're going to rub this every morning, okay? You're going to rub it in slow motion. You're going to rub it fast, right? What is this? Reflexology. There is a nerve on your hand that corresponds to every single part of your body. You're stimulating the blood flow throughout your whole body. And more specifically, we're trying to stimulate it to your digestive system, right? So routine number one, you're going to do rubbing the hands.